Part 2, Chapter 8. Ek en Cecile sal saam probeer, kondig Lynette Marais aan. Ek en Zayn kyk met 'n frons na mekaar. Lynette en Cecile sing elke jaar 'n duet by die skool se talentaand. Nie een van hulle drof vleeslik swaar aan hope sangtalent nie. So Cecile and Lynette say they will try together, but Zayn and Tian look at each other and frown, because Lynette and Cecile sing at the talent show every year, and they don't have much talent. Die twee word nogtans entoesiasties toegejuig. Dis duidelik hier gaan nie vanmiddag 'n ernstige orkesoefening gehou word nie. Ek kan my ore nie glo toe hulle lostrek nie. Van alle liedjies op aarde kies hulle Mama, ek wil 'n man hê. So the two start singing enthusiastically. And obviously now there isn't going to be a proper orchestra practice this afternoon. And Tian cannot believe the song that these two girls have chosen. It's quite an old Afrikaans song called Mama, ek wil 'n man hê. Dis 'n spesiale weergawe met heelwat stemwisseling en selfs 'n dansmove of twee, waaraan hulle duidelik al heelwat geoefen het. 'n Paar ouens gee 'n wolwefluit en begin luidskeel saam sing. Sê vir jou mamma jy het een gekry, Cecile, roep 'n grouwe stem agter die klas. So this is a special version with different tones that the girls are doing with their voices, and they've even choreographed a dance that you can see they've practiced together a few times. A few of the boys in the orchestra start whistling and start singing with them. And one of the boys says, "You can tell your mom you found a man." Alright, bring meneer Marx die spilletjie tot bedaring. Dankie meisies, as almal klaar probeer het, sal ek met hierdie twee ouens praat en hoor in wie hulle belangstel. So Mr. Marx tries to calm down the class and tells them, if that's all the people who wanted to try out, he will speak to Zayn and Tian afterwards to see or to hear who they would like to choose. Cecile en Lynette het ten minste die ys gebreek. Dit lyk of niemand meer skaam is om na hulle te sing nie. Ek en Zayn speel 'n paar note saam as ons die liedjies ken. Ek maak notas in my kop, terwyl die een na die ander vorentoe kom en sing. So after Cecile and Lynette, many of the other orchestra members start to audition. And when Zayn and Tian knows the song, they'll play along. Otherwise, they'll make something up. Frank Richter. Klink soos een van daai hartseer cowboys in 'n western fliek. Vincent Abramse. Surprise, surprise. Die ou rap soos 'n vrou. Dis jammer ek en Zayn is nie eintlik into rap musiek nie. So two boys have performed. Frank Richter, who sounds like a sad cowboy in those western movies, and Vincent Abramse, who is an excellent rapper. Marijke Venter. Nie te sleg nie. Sy sal 'n goeie opvolger vir Karlien van Jaarsveld wees. Wil ons vir Karlien van Jaarsveld in ons band hê? So Marijke Venter also auditioned, and she sounds like Karlien van Jaarsveld, a very famous Afrikaans singer. Lydia Bekes, die eerste een wat 'n proper rockliedjie sing. The Foo Fighters sê, all my life. Ek en Zayn speel die hele liedjie saam. Lydia het die looks, die ritme, die attitude. Ongelukkig het Lydia nie die stem nie. So Lydia is the first person to do a proper rock song. She's got the look, she's got the rhythm and the attitude, but she doesn't have the voice. Zayn kyk opgewonde vir my en knik entoesiasties met sy kop. Ek skud my kop beslis. Jammer, Lydia. So Zayn is excited about Lydia, but Tian is like, no, we ain't choosing her. Enigiemand anders, vra meneer Marx. Die klas gesels opgewonde, maar niemand anders bied aan om vorentoe te kom nie. Daar is gebrom in die voorste rye. Een van Liesel Kritzinger se vriendinne probeer haar so ver kry om haar hand op te steek. Hey, Liesel, poor iemand anders haar aan. Gaan man. Liesel, vra meneer Marx. So Mr. Marx asks if there's anyone else. And Liesel's friend tries to push her hand up into the air. And someone shouts, trying to encourage her to perform. And Mr. Marx asks her, do you want to perform? Meneer, sy is vrek goed, sê iemand. Meneer moet haar hoor. So someone says she's very good. And Mr. Marx has to hear her sing. Who like it, Liesel? From meneer Marx. Liesel skud net haar kop. Haar gesig bloed rooi. So he asks her, does she want to perform? And she just shakes her head. And she is blood red because she's blushing. Liesel, 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 cheer 'n paar ouens. Zayn kyk opgewonde vir my. So Zayn's obviously excited about this. Liesel vee haar hare agtertoe en versit haar haarrekkie. Okay, sê sy en steek haar hande in die lug asof sy oorgee. Sy staan op en stap vorentoe. So she's given in, she's tied her hair, she's going to perform. As Zayn nog groter glimlag, gaan sy mondhoeke skeer. If Zayn smiles any wider, he's going to tear his he's going to tear his lips. Liesel staan voor in die klas en vat weer haar hare agter haar kop vas, asof sy haar gedagtes bymekaar probeer kry. Okay, speel weer. Smells like Teen Spirit, sê sy. So she's going to sing Teen Spirit. Ek sukkel om nie verbaas te lyk nie. Ek en Zayn val weg met die gitaar intro. Ek doen my bes om te konsentreer. So Tian is very surprised. And they start with the guitar introduction and he's trying his best to concentrate. Dum 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 dum. Ek mis 'n paar chords toe Liesel begin sing. So he missed a few chords. She's overboard and self-assured. Ek kan dit nie glo nie. I can't believe it. Sy's incredible. Haar stem is diep en jeserig, soos dit behoort op die koorgedeelte. Her voice is perfect. Ek kyk vir Zayn en probeer sy aandag trek, maar hy staan oopmond na Liesel en staar. Tian is looking at Zayn and is trying to get his attention, but Zayn is just looking at Liesel with an open mouth. He's going like this. Hy lyk totaal gehypnotiseer. Dis 'n wonder hy kry 'n enkele koord gespeel. He looks hypnotized. Tian can't believe that he's actually even playing a song. Liesel hou onverwags in die middel van die koorgedeelte op met sing. Ek en Zayn speel nog 'n paar chords en hou dan op. Die klas cheer luidkeels. Liesel stap verleed terug na haar stoel toe. So she stops in the middle of the song and Zayn and Tian end off with a few chords and everyone cheers. She walks to her chair. Wag, wait. Almal kyk verbaas om. Everyone looks around surprised. Eers toe die girl weer praat, sien ek wie dit gesê het. Once the girl speaks again, I see who said it in the first place. Sing dit weer. Sing that again. Ek is nie seker wat haar naam is nie. Sy is nie in ons klas. Ek het haar die hele 2 weke se derde skool begin het, nog nie 'n woord oor sê nie. Haar stem pas by die res van haar, groot en grof. So, Tian is unsure what her name is because she's new in his class. And since she started at the school, he hasn't heard her say a word until now. But her voice matches her image. Big and rough. Liesel bly staan onseker by haar stoel. So Liesel is unsure of what is happening, but she stands. She's following instructions. Sibongile, sê meneer Marx, en selfs hy klink onseker oor haar naam. Wil jy dit weer hoor? Sibongile, do you want to hear that again? Sy staan op en stap vorentoe. She stands up and walks to the front. Ek wil nie net luister nie. Ek wil speel. Drums. I don't just want to listen, Mr. Marx. I want to play. I want to play the drums. Frik van Tonder gaan kliphard aan die lag. Frik het die irriterendste laggie van enigiemand wat ek ken. Frik starts laughing again, and he's got the most annoying laugh that Tia knows of. Sy stem het al lankal gebreek, maar hy giggel nog steeds soos 'n 7-jarige meisie. His voice has broken already, but when he laughs, he sounds like a 7-year-old girl. Om Frik se stem te gebruik om te giggel, is soos om 'n rockgitaar te gebruik om Twinkle Twinkle Little Star te speel. So, his voice, when he giggles, sounds like a rock guitar playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It just doesn't sound right.